Christie, and welcome back to All About Food.
In this episode, we're going to make crispy kangkong with garlic mayo dip. We need half a cup all-purpose flour, half a cup cornstarch, 100 grams kangkong leaves, half a cup or 3/4 cup water, cooking oil, bowl, salt and pepper, silicone whisk, and tongs. Combine the all-purpose flour and cornstarch. Add salt and pepper. Put the kangkong leaves in flour and cornstarch mixture. Shake your leaves inside the container. Remove it from the container. Shake the excess flour and cornstarch from the leaves. Add the water according to the consistency that you like. Preheat your pan. Pour the cooking oil. Dip your kangkong leaves to the mixture and deep fry kangkong leaves. Fry your kangkong 6 leaf at a time. I learned about crispy kangkong in Kabilan Restaurant. Kabilan Restaurant is one of the famous eat-all-you-can restaurant here in the Philippines. This is not a sponsor. I just want them to give a credit as inspiration for this recipe. This idea came again to me as I had a request from Teacher Marie to make a vegan or vegetarian episode for her St. Martin Montessori homeschool students. You may put it in a paper towel after frying and set it aside. For garlic mayo dip, we need 80 ml mayonnaise, mixing bowl, 1 clove garlic minced, 2 tablespoon water, dash of white pepper, dash of salt, half a tablespoon white vinegar, and half a tablespoon sugar. We also need spoon and silicone wire whisk. Combine all the ingredients. If you'd like to know more about this and other recipe, you may follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Whisk it until well combined. Our finished product, crispy kangkong with garlic mayo dip.
If you are looking for food delivery service here in Rizal, please visit Majimbo Food Services. The link is in the description down below. Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.